Okay, what is up guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is day 7 of trading until I get my first funded account. And today's trade was a win, second win in a row. Today's trade was a small risk to reward trade, and I have my reasons why I made it a small risk to reward trade. But at the end I was wrong, because as you can see, price eventually it's still dropping down. As you can see, it's still dropping down right here, up to it dropped down up to 5 hour. So I'm slowly regretting why I used 1-to-1 risk to reward, but I have my reasons why I used that risk to reward, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to tell you the reasons why I did that and show you the trade recap. So this trade was caught in London session, very clean, super clean trade, very fast. It first went into drawdown, I can't lie, but it eventually dropped down and started edging my take profit because of spreads. I don't know how I'm going to deal with spreads. I'm going to start looking for ways how to trade futures, because I am tired of this. As you can see, these candles right here, these candles did not take me out of the trade. They continued edging my take profit. For some reason they did not stop me out because of spread, and I exited early around this candle right here, and I regretted because price eventually moved down, and this entire move would have hit my full take profit. But I exited early. I was scared that the market was going to reverse and take me out, and I did not want to take that risk, so I decided to just exit that trade. And I'm going to look up ways how I can start trading futures, because this is getting out of hand. And yeah, that is it guys. Let's go into the trade recap. So starting off on the 1 hour time frame, this was my draw on liquidity. This is the swing low that I wanted price to take out, then move high after this, taking out this swing low, but price did not. It's just continuing dropping lower. I think it's going to take out this low, then reverse, or form a swing low here, take it out, then reverse, or fill this fair value gap. So there are very many trade opportunities here if they get respected. So about that, today's trade. So today's trade, we had formed a swing high right here, and I wanted price to take it out, then give me my entry confirmation on the 1 minute time frame, looking for shorts. So I dropped down after price taking out that swing high. I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame to look for my entry confirmation. And this is a very important note guys about my trading. You need to first wait for the higher time frame candle to close, or give you signs that it's going to respect that draw on liquidity, either swing high, swing low, fair value gap, order block, whatever it is. You need to first wait for the candle to close. That was a mistake I was doing at the beginning of my trading journey, and I regret, and I don't want you guys to do the same mistake as I did back then. So I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame to look for my confirmation entry, and as you can see here, the market structure shift was formed right here. Price left behind a gap, tagged me in here, then it first dropped down, retraced into a drawdown, respecting this swing high, this 1 minute swing high, then dropping down. The reason why I give this 2-tip breathing room on my stop losses, it's because of spreads, and you guys have seen the reasons why I have to leave that breathing room. But if this was futures and I'm not too worried about spreads, my stop loss would have been here, and this would have been a 3-pip stop loss. Even if I lose, I would have lost a small amount of money to gain more money, which is really cool. And I'm going to start looking up more about futures trading, how I can trade it in Uganda. But I don't think that you can trade it. I'm not yet sure, but for what I know, I don't think that you can trade futures in Uganda. The brokers do not work for some reason. But I'm going to make more research. You guys can also tell me if you want in the comment section. So this was my take profit, and price tapped into this draw on liquidity. Then it started bouncing around here, not tagging me out of that trade, and I exited early in the trade, and I regretted it because price eventually moved down. But it is what it is. At least I got a win today. Yeah, that is the video. I'll leave a live recording in this exact video, and I'll leave the link to my TikTok account in the bio. It's LA Trades, and I've also changed the username of this YouTube channel to LA Trades, so as to match the TikTok account. So that is it, guys. I'll just leave the link of all my socials in the description. You can go and check them out. I always post the live executions on TikTok before posting them here on YouTube, so you guys can go and check them out, and make sure to leave a like and follow. Yeah, but for now, peace.